I'm super excited to share with you all these crochet goodies that I got from Amazon. Coopay sent me this whole bag of crochet goodies, so I wanted to open it with you guys and have you watch me as I unbox it. First of all, I love that it's in a large Ziploc bag that keeps everything nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I don't even remember what they said was in here. So this is going to be fun. I can see that there's a ton of yarn. We'll go ahead and look at that in a minute. The first thing is a Crochet Basics little pamphlet, and that is perfect for beginners. This booklet shows all of the basic stitches you need to learn to crochet, so that's nice that you can have a handy reference with you so you don't have to turn on YouTube or something. Oh, wow. This is awesome. So this is a big backpack, and it's got little quilting on the front. Ooh, look at the inside. Look at all the crochet hooks they give you. This is so perfect for beginners. It looks like you get 9 crochet hooks. And I'm going to pull one out. Oh, are these nice? These almost feel like clovers. Ooh, nice rubber handle with a little flat spot for your thumb. Really nice. Nice little metal hook. This bag is really cool. You can put all of your hooks right here so they don't get bent or broken. And then there's a nice little zippered pouch here with clear plastic, so you can put all of your other goodies in there. And then this opens up like this. Oh, wow. So there's metal all the way around here to keep it nice and open. So if you look inside, there's 6 more pockets on the inside so that you can put smaller items. There's these little scissors, like little clippers for your yarn so you can cut it. This is a little crochet hook measuring guide. You also get a tape measure. They included 2 packs of little knitting needles. Isn't that cool? I've never seen these little tiny ones. Some little tapestry needles, stitch markers, and 2 little pom-pom makers. That's really cool. Oh my gosh. So you can put your little scissors in here just like that, along with your little measuring tape, and your needles and everything can go in there. You can put all your goodies in there. Besides the color, I really love that they have a pocket on either side that you could just slide your water bottle in, or whatever your drink is, or even a snack. So you can take this on the go with you and have everything you need all in one place. And it even comes with the extra goodies. And it comes with all of this yarn. Look at all of this. So you could really make all kinds of different little amigurumis and things like that. This would be nice. You could even practice making scarves with all of these. This is bright and cheery acrylic yarn. You get so many skeins in this bag, as you can see here. I'm really impressed with this cute little backpack kit. I love all the little extras that they give you. I think this little book is so helpful, especially if you're just learning how to crochet. This feels like it's really durable nylon, so it should be easy to clean. I think this would also make a great gift, not only for yourself, but for a friend or a family member that's just learning how to crochet. I'll go ahead and leave a link for it down below so you can get your kit as well. I really love this backpack kit, and I think you will too. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.